What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a high fade on my guys, so stay tuned. We're starting off with our gold FX and we're creating our first guideline as high as possible without going too high because we want to leave enough room to blend. Don't be afraid to use your opposite hand to give you more space to either bald out or blend. Make sure to keep the trimmer flat. You don't want to feed the teeth of the trimmer into his pores. Now that we're done balding them out, we're going to go ahead and use our foil shaver to remove the stubble. When you're removing the stubble with your foil shavers, you want to flick out about 1 centimeter away from your bald line. If you meet the bald line, it's going to be harder to take out that bald line. Also, going with the grain with the foil shaver will help you blend in that initial guideline. If you guys are enjoying the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show the channel some extra support, go ahead and leave a super thanks down below, or go ahead and follow my Instagram. Thank you. Now that we're done balding them out and removing all the stubble, we're going to go ahead and move on to our 1A blade and debulk the top. Now that everything's nice and even on top, we can move on to our OA blade and create our second guideline. You want to make this guideline around 1 inch thick so you can spread the blend. This blade is equivalent to our no guard all the way open. Now that we're done setting in that guideline, we can move on to our 4-aught blade. This is equivalent to using our lever around a notch up from being all the way closed. Moving on to our 3-aught blade, this is going to be equivalent to our lever plate with our no guard all the way closed, midway, and all the way open. Now we're moving on to our 3/0 blade, and this is going to help us blend into our no guard all the way open, which is equivalent to our OA blade. Now we can move on to our 1 blade, which is equivalent to our 1 guard all the way closed. Remember, we did a 1A blade on top, so that's equivalent to a 1 guard all the way open. Now that we're done running over the top, we're going to make sure we apply some oil sheen just so that we can take away the dryness. Now that we're done detailing the fade, we can move on to our gold FX and begin to line him up. I always like starting off at the middle and working my way to the sides, especially when I'm using my gold FX due to the longer blade. You always want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and you won't line them up properly. So definitely pay attention to that. Always make sure to take your time near the lining. This is a very important part. To our Turkish razor and Durban premium blades, we're gonna make it as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're gonna apply some shave Zelle so that the razor could glide better. Now that we got the razor and the blade, we're going to stretch the skin as much as possible with the opposite hand and keep the razor at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. guys are enjoying the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show the channel some extra support, go ahead and leave the super things down below, or go ahead and follow my Instagram. Thank you.